Hello friends and followers. Here's the Gonset GSB-100 transmitter, and I put the two resistors in for the high voltage power supply. Those are in series. They have capacitors across some 40 UF, just like the schematic. So that was all fouled up from the previous party that owned this thing. It wasn't really implemented right, so I'm not getting any more sparking or popping of capacitors. It still hasn't improved the output situation on this thing, but at least it's probably running more stable. So here's 80 meters. I don't have a lot of power to show you. Not much is really happening here of any merit, but let's try it out. So we're going to transmit here. I'm only getting a few watts out of this thing at 80 meters. Nothing to write home about. I can try the drive here, and I can't do much with it. Now, is that low plate voltage? Hard to say. My carrier's up all the way. I don't have much plate current at all, which I should really. Yeah, there's not many drive coming through an 80, so maybe alignment from the previous owner. My carrier level's nailed, so that might need investigation. 40 meters. I think it's a little better. Let's see, there's 40. Carrier's nailed. Let's see what that'll do. Yeah, 40 meters, I got drive here. Let's peek the drive. So I got drive. I got some power, maybe 10 watts. That's it. So I ordered a final tube for this thing, 6K86, whatever it is. We'll see if that improves it. I think that tube is shot and it needs neutralized. It's really in bad shape, but all the other tubes in this thing are supposedly new from the old stock sources, so that's it. We're not doing so well, but I guess it's transmitting. That's something, right? And it's not sucking much light current, but c'est la vie. Give it some load here, give it some plate tuning. Yeah, it's only gonna do like 10 watts, but hey, look at that. It's not smoking, it's not popping. We have the HV resistors in there. It's coming along. 20 meters, too many harmonics, but it's stable on 40. I guess I could drive the little Gonset linear over there. That thing will drive on 7 watts. I could drive that with it easily and transmit to the AM crowd if I wanted to. All right, that's my demo. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.